Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you the top 10 best freelancing platforms for earning. In today's world, freelancers wanting to supplement their income have more options than ever before. And this is especially true in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic, which resulted in job cuts all over the world and pushed the workforce to look for new job opportunities online, providing freelance websites with a great opportunity to expand their business and freelancers with a great opportunity to crack small working projects. It's time to grasp meaningful assignments if you're ready to take the big step into the realm of freelancing. To assist you, we've created a list of the top 10 freelancing websites for freelancers, where you may find a range of intriguing and innovative possibilities to help grow your freelancing company. Let us have a look at the top 10 best freelancing platforms for earning. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates when we upload a video. Number 10 is Loft. Loft is for you if you're a wordsmith searching for possibilities to write for academics such as dissertations, term papers, and white papers. This site is intended exclusively for academic writers. Freelancers are given profiles on the website that include their chosen subject of expertise, educational background, amount of pages written, years of experience, and prior client ratings and reviews. However, to be allowed onto this academic freelancing site, you must first pass a series of rigorous grammatical and formatting exams. Number 9 is Aquent, creative and marketing freelancing website. Have you ever been connected with a recruiting company that wasn't right for you? Well, Aquent might be able to help you out. The website connects skilled creative people with organizations looking to recruit people of similar skill sets. Aquent's book applies object detection and picture classification to auto-tag portfolios with over 24 million object and image labels using natural language processing. This aids in providing deeper insight into finding better employment matches by considering numerous factors such as talent location, availability, and pricing. Number 8 is 99 Designs. The 99 Designs platform is designed particularly for design services, and it welcomes freelancers who want to sell their talents. Every 2 seconds, a new design is created for a client on this site. Freelance employment in over 90 areas is also available on the site. So, whether you're a pro at designing logos, book covers, websites, or any other type of design inventiveness, this is most likely the greatest place to show off your skill. You'll be directed to create a profile and include your work experience after you sign up. Your application will be reviewed by a curation team who will determine your designer level. Your level determines how visible you are on the site. 99 Designs makes it simple to find freelance employment in your field. You will be able to choose from a list of jobs by selecting industries, styles, and design categories. 99 Designs will charge a $100 introduction fee and a platform fee ranging from 5% to 15% whenever you collaborate with a new customer. PayPal or Payoneer pays freelancers within 3 business days, and those with higher profile levels get paid even faster. Number 7 is FlexJobs. FlexJobs, as the name implies, provides flexibility through remote work, part-time and full-time, on-site positions, flexible work hours, and, of course, freelancing possibilities. All job postings on FlexJobs go through a rigorous screening procedure to guarantee their validity and legitimacy, ensuring no spam or scam jobs. FlexJobs verifies that every job posted on the site is genuine. It checks and analyzes all job postings, weeding out frauds and imposters. This freelancing website, unlike other online job boards, does not have any ads on its page. Users must join up for a membership to discover freelancing employment. There are 4 different options to choose from, starting at $6.95 a week. Every membership includes unlimited job postings, a personalized work portfolio, career counseling, and free skill testing. Users can use a prepaid card or PayPal to pay for their membership. There's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, which means you may obtain a complete refund if you're unhappy with the service. Number 6 is Toptol. Toptol was created to assist businesses in hiring from the top tier 3% of world-class freelancers. Designers, developers, financial specialists, and project managers are all included. Toptol operates by employing industry specialists who are the best match for the greatest businesses, guaranteeing a proper fit. It is utilized by top-level firms such as Motorola and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Toptol is a freelancing platform that links businesses with highly educated industry specialists. To become a freelancer at Toptol, you must pass 5 phases of the screening procedure, starting with a rigorous English evaluation and ending with a project review. Only the best 3% of applicants are selected for the platform. You'll get access to a variety of job listings from prominent clients and organizations like Motorola and Airbnb once you've completed all the stages. Failure to pass the test, on the other hand, will put your application on the waiting list for several months. Top Tracker is a dedicated time tracking and invoicing solution offered by Toptol. Freelancers will be paid the full price they offer using their services, and payments will be made through Payoneer, PayPal, or a direct local bank transfer. Number 5 is People Per Hour, freelancer website with diversity. Nearly 1 million businesses have paid over £130 million to freelancers on this site. The platform connects businesses with a global pool of freelancers whose work is constantly assessed and scored as they complete assigned jobs. People Per Hour covers a wide range of categories. Its well-designed project was a writing tool that aids businesses by asking what kind of help they want and then using artificial intelligence to connect and contact the best freelancers. As the name implies, it assists organizations in locating professional freelancers to employ by the hour or project. Various businesses, such as public relations, marketing, and journalism, employ millions of freelancers. Freelancers may sign up for a free account and begin building a profile. The moderators will review each application before being approved. After being accepted, freelancers can begin looking for work in a variety of categories. Freelancers can send offers and establish their pricing when working on a project. They may quickly raise an invoice from their dashboard after they've finished. People Per Hour, like most freelancing services, charges freelancers a service fee per customer. The freelancing website charges a 20% service fee on $350 in profits. Fortunately, as you labor more, the cost will drop. Number 4 is Guru, General Freelancer Marketplace. Guru is a freelancing network that helps businesses locate and employ professional freelancers from all around the world. It is a versatile and cost-effective platform that allows consumers to employ freelancers in a variety of fields. Guru offers over 3 million certified freelancers that can assist you in locating genuine employment. It is also one of the finest freelancing sites for newbies because of its payment flexibility. Guru is a platform where freelancers and businesses from all around the world can collaborate. Professionals with diverse talents such as programmers, graphic designers, and product managers can be hired by businesses. This freelance platform makes searching for jobs and submitting quotations to clients simple. Begin by registering and creating a freelancer profile. Based on your skill set and work experience, the algorithm will provide employment recommendations. Freelancers can bid on long or short-term jobs, and each project has set pricing. Your profits may be withdrawn using a variety of ways, including PayPal and wire transfer. More significantly, the site's Safe Pay guarantee ensures that freelancers get paid on time. Every freelancer who registers on the platform is given a free basic membership. On the other hand, paid membership options provide extra features that allow you to make your profile stand out. Number 3 is Freelancer. Freelancer is another well-known freelancing marketplace with a prestigious customer list that includes high-profile corporations such as Microsoft, Boeing, and Intel. The platform is a godsend for small businesses in need of expertise and assistance with various activities, including logo design, website building, writing, and marketing. The website is simple to use and has a user-friendly interface. At Freelancer, you can quickly sign up, post examples of your past work, bid on jobs, and communicate with hirers via a live chat feature. The site promises diversity and offers many freelance tasks, with over 1,350 job categories to choose from. Number 2 is Fiverr. Fiverr Freelancing is a popular freelance platform that brings freelancers and companies together digitally. With over 250 categories, Fiverr provides an amazing and highly extensive selection of professional service options. Whatever type of employment you're searching for, there's a good chance you'll find it here. Because the network is so diversified, it draws clients from many industries searching for a variety of services. Fiverr is simple to use and an excellent place to start for newcomers. This freelance website makes it easy for freelancers and company owners to communicate with one another. Note that freelancers are referred to as sellers on the website, while their services are referred to as gigs, and company owners are referred to as buyers. Sellers may sign up for free, advertise their gigs, and establish their rates instead of putting out bids. Meanwhile, consumers may shop by browsing through several categories. When a customer buys a gig, the system charges their account and puts the money on hold for them. After deducting a commission fee, the system will send freelancers 80% of the proposed amount. Withdrawing profits might take up to 14 days depending on the seller's level for each freelancer. Payments can be made via a debit card, PayPal, or wire transfer among other methods. Number 1 is Upwork. With over 12 million registered freelancers and close to 5 million registered clients, Upwork is the world's largest freelance marketplace. Some of the world's most prestigious organizations like Microsoft, Airbnb, and GE rely on the site to find the finest freelancers. Upwork freelancing is ideal for individuals who want to work on complex and specialized tasks. It includes topics like online, mobile, and software development, design and creativity, writing, sales, and customer service. Upwork's platform offers several fantastic interactive features that allow hirers and freelancers to connect easily via online chat and video calls, ensuring openness and clarity. Clients and freelancers may interact in various ways. Clients can post a task and recruit talent or purchase a preset service from the project catalog. Similarly, freelancers might use the job board for marketing their services. To begin working as a freelancer on Upwork, you must first create a profile. Make sure it contains information about yourself, your skills, and your job experience. When you apply for work or pitch a project, keep in mind that clients will check your profile to see whether you're qualified. Upwork operates on a sliding basis, which means that the more you work, the less you pay. The commission cost, for example, begins at 20% for the first $500 bill and subsequently decreases as you get more money. Withdrawals can be made through a direct transfer, PayPal, or wire transfer, among other methods. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you like most, or click the thumbs up if you like the video.